Hey, Andrew Keel here with Keel Team Real Estate Investments. We're in a mobile home park today, and it's a mostly stabilized park, but sometimes you gotta get creative to make those deals work and pay the price that the seller's wanting. One way to do that is carports. One thing you can do is when you install these for the residents, you can justify a rent increase that adds value to the tenant, but also increases the value of the park. So highly recommend installing carports, and that justifies typically a $35 to $50 a month increase in their lot rent. Thanks for watching.
Hey, sorry to interrupt. I wanted to let you know about a free ebook that I have on my website, keelteam.com. It's the top 20 things you need to know before investing in mobile home parks. It literally took me 6 months to write this ebook, and it is jam-packed with valuable content, I guarantee it. Check out keelteam.com and download my free ebook today.